Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the next episode of the Little Golden Book Extended Spine. So today we are going to put our fabric on, and like I showed in the previous video, this is Stampin' Up! Velvet paper, but you can't tear it, so it's almost like a Tyvek on the back. So I've got my book lined up, and I'm going to put my paper on. It's okay if I go farther over the back. It's just, there's nothing really pretty to the back except for these books. So, I mean, I can cut it down. I'm going to put it right there so it follows, right, you know, so it doesn't cover any letters. I will be over maybe a half an inch, but that is okay. I'm okay with that. All right, so let's take our Fabri-Tac and start gluing. Now, I prefer, I'm gonna hang on to this book. I prefer to do half of it at a time, because I just want to make sure that I'm getting it right where I want instead of putting it all down and then not happy with where it's at. Okay, then I'm gonna hold this one and then go over about this far. All right. Now I'm gonna put my paper on, and I'm gonna line it more with the front rather than the back. Okay. Just push it down really good. Wonderful. Okay. And then now I just bring it up till I see the glue and then continue on. All right. Perfect. And then I just want to run along the edge there so that gets laid down good. Look at that. Wonderful. All right, now we can flip her over. And here is our attached spine on this side. Okay, I always just take my strings. I don't like to cut them off all the way, just because I do want a tail. I don't know why. I feel like maybe if somehow the knot is not tight enough that it could work its way out, and then that way, you know, these strings are going to be glued in, so they're not going anywhere. So I've got them all down. So the next step would be, and make sure I'm upright, is I'm going to glue this onto here, okay? So before we do that though, we're going to go ahead and fold this over and glue this down. I think I went too far. I did. Okay. And then do the bottom here. I'll make my mark this time so I don't go too far past it. I'm actually gonna cut this down a little bit. I don't quite want it so long. Okay. Push that over. Push that down in there. Okay. Alright. Now, I'm going to put my glue all over this as well. Make sure I get all those strings really good. Okay. All right, and then I am going to get that on there, and I want to make sure I can bend my book really good. Push that down. Push that in the middle. Okay. Trim that off. Down in there. Cut that little bit off there. There. Cut this one here. There we go. Trim that. Okay. I got a nice clean edge now. Okay, and then I'm just gonna kind of push it in the middle. Just kind of push down so that gets in there good. Okay. Just kind of keep pushing that down in the middle down there. All right, there, nice clean edge on that side. Nice clean edge on this side. I need some glue there, a little bit. Work that in there. Okay. Okay, I'm going to let that dry a little bit because I don't want that fabric to pull any farther away. So I'm just going to let that dry. So mess with it too much. So that's putting in our hidden spine. So I will let that dry, and that is the next step. So can't really do anything more to it because it has to dry. So that was probably a short video, so we will wait for that to dry and then we will come back. All right, thank you so much. Bye.